good morning. Well, today we're going to be learning lesson 5, which is practice common nouns. So, do you remember pen, pencils, erasers, rulers, common nouns? So, today we're going to be looking at verb to be. In Brazil, we learned verb to be, our whole life. So, we're going to have a new verb today, which is verb to be, and then we're going to study verb to have and auxiliary verb do. So let's go with the verb to be. We have affirmative, we have negative, and we have interrogative. So with affirmative, I'm going to go from affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So let's go. I am not, am I. You are not, are you. He is not, is he. She is not, is she. It is not, is it. You are not, are you. We are not, are we. They are not, are they. So that is the affirmative, the negative, and interrogative. Okay? And in Portuguese, we use the verb to be, for example, they are, it's for females and males. We are, all of us together. You are, it's the plural, and it's also the singular. So it depends on the context and what you're talking about. Okay? Then we have the verb to have. I always teach my students the verb to have, especially on common nouns. So let's have a look at the verb to have. I'm going to go just for the affirmative now. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, you have, we have, they have. Now pay attention, everything's have except he, she, and it. And then we have negative. I don't have, you don't have, he doesn't have, she doesn't have, it doesn't have, you don't have, we don't have, they don't have. I think I got a bit confused there, but yeah. And then we have the interrogative. Do I have? Do you have? Does he have? Does she have? Does it have? Do you have? Do we have? And do they have? Yeah, that's it. It's all here. I just got a bit confused, but yeah. And then you think, what does this do? What is the do? It's the auxiliary verb do. So we use the auxiliary verb do when we have a verb. Okay, so for example, we use it before the verb. And the has, for example, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we only use it in the affirmative. We don't use it in the negative nor the interrogative because we already use does and does not. Okay, so let's have a look. For example, let's create a phrase. You remember the colors? Blue, red, pink, yellow, those are the colors, okay? So let's use a car. Let's go for a car. So we have the colors and we have a car. You have a, singular, you have a red car. You have a red car. Negative, you don't have a red car. Interrogative, do you have a red car? Okay, now let's go for he. He has a red car. He doesn't have a red car. Does he have a red car? Now we can use that for people's name. For example, he is referring to a male, she is referring to a female. So female, instead of saying she has, let's put Juliana. Juliana has a red car. Juliana doesn't have a red car. Does Juliana have a red car? Okay, so we need to use the auxiliary verb do when we use a verb. Okay, We wouldn't say the verb to be. We wouldn't say I am a red car. No, you're not a red car. You are a person. Okay, you're not an object. So we use the auxiliary verb do for things that, you know, whatever verb you want to use, have, eat, like, and the list is so big, which we're going to learn that in the next few lessons, but not today. So please do your lessons, do your exercises here, circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns. And I will be with you for the next lessons, okay? So practice that. Practice the pronunciation of verb to be. Practice the auxiliary verbs do. Do in this situation, it's not the do like to make, okay? It's do as in yes, I do, or no, it's not that. It's do just as the auxiliary verb, okay? So thank you so much. Have a lovely day, and I will be with you tomorrow with the next lesson, lesson 6, which is practice the proper noun. So today was the common noun, and tomorrow will be the proper noun. And we have many other phrases, okay? I used example like the red car, but you can say like, for example, Jonathan has a blue pen. Jonathan doesn't have a blue pen, and then interrogative. Does Jonathan have a blue pen? And then it's in numerous. You can use all of the common nouns. You can use the colors. You can play with the words. You can create many phrases. And if you intend to do these phrases for homework, which I hope you do so you can practice, send it to me on my WhatsApp or, in class. I'm here. Write them down, affirmative, negative, interrogative, and I'll have a look and I'll correct it for you. So thank you so much. Kisses. Mwah. Bye-bye.